Okay, so this is the tornado machine that I made, and as you can see I used a Sekai fan, and I made some improvements to it. Put a hole in glass, and I mean plastic, so you can see through. These are the holes at the side. There, and there. And I have the sonic mister down there. So let's fire it up. Turn it on now. As you can see, it's starting to make smoke, water vapor a lot, and it's kind of splashing all over the place, but whatever. So let's start the fan. Wait for us. Let's wait for it to accumulate now. Okay, we'll set the fan now. You can see there's a vortex or tornado in there. So yeah, this is my tornado machine again, and I'm gonna shut the fan off again. Did it accumulate again? Then we'll turn it back on. This time with the iPhone inside. And wait, I was thinking that the sonic mister has splashing all over the place, so yeah, I think I will not put it inside. So we're gonna turn on the fan now. See what happens. As you can see, it's a tornado, but it's not a perfect one because this box, as you can see, is a square, so it's not really good for wind rotations. So see it again. Tornado, slight tornado, but maybe next time I'll make a better one with a two. So there. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and